like a real life YouTuber. To my channel. Welcome to 2021. This is the first video of 2021 and this year is gonna be, as my planner says, the best year ever. Which is so cheesy, but welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had an amazing new year. I hope that you're doing well. I hope your family's healthy. And today I just thought I would jump on first video of 2021 with some goals, some things to strive for in the new year, some reflection, some vision board making. I know so many people are probably so excited to see 2020 in their rear view. I know some people are probably skeptical about 2021. Is it gonna be any different? Is anything gonna change? And while nothing obviously changed when the clock struck midnight on January 1st, 2021, I will say that I think this year is going to be a great year. I think we can take a lot of the lessons that we learned in 2020 and bring them into 2021. I think everyone's perspective has changed completely. Things that we were taking for granted before now have more importance, and we realize what's really important. And for one thing, mental health, how we treat others, family, time, just like how we spend our days. And I just wanted to talk about my 2020 goals. I'm not gonna go into detail of like exactly my list of goals. Well, I think you'll probably get the point through my vision board and like talking about stuff. Everyone's goals are so specific to themselves and where they're at and what you want and are striving for. But I wanted to do kind of an overall, if you have been putting off making your New Year's resolutions or goals or whatever you want to call it, maybe now's the time to do it. You don't necessarily have to do it January 1st. I know last year I did it like a week into January. I also think that January 1st is just like, you get the day to just recover if you had like a crazy New Year's Eve, which obviously it's looked different this year. You get a few days. You don't have to start right on the 1st. It's okay. Everyone's in a different place, but I just wanted to make this video if it can help anyone out there. If you've been looking for the sign to start some goals, write some stuff down, strive for stuff, here is your sign. Go do it, write some stuff down. I hope this will motivate you. I hope this will help you to get yourself up, get moving, and set some good intentions for this year. I feel like goals like go back and forth. Like some people are so gung-ho, like first of the year they're ready, they want to set goals, it's a fresh start. And some people are like, why do you need a new year to set goals? Why should we do that? Some people are like, I'm over the resolutions, like I'm not doing the whole new year resolution thing. And I understand that, but for me at least, I like the fact that every year when it comes around, you reflect on the years past and look at what you want to improve on and what you want to do in the next year. It's like whether you do that in June or July or October or whenever. For me, it's like, okay, end of December, I'm reflecting on last year's goals. I'm looking at what I accomplished, what I didn't accomplish, what I got started, and then looking at what I want to do for next year, where I want to be, who I want to be. And that's like really what I've come to the point of New Year's resolutions or goals or whatever you want to call them, whatever floats your boat. You want to think about who you want to be this time next year. Think about who you want to be surrounded with. What do you want to feel like? Where do you want to be living? How do you want others to view you? What do you want your life to look like? What do you want to feel like? Did I already say that? Maybe. This year, when you're sitting down at the end of December, early January, where do you want to be? That's like the overall goal. And then write things down for how you're going to get there. Because while goals can feel really lofty and like, I want to do this, but I have no plan, then it's not going to happen. You have to think of, okay, where do I want to be in the end of this year? What are the things I can do to get there? And how can I do those things? And then you just break it down and it's like, what can you add into your daily routine that will help you get to that point? Like I know this year we all learned how important mental health is, and even in the last few days I learned how important it is for me to work out. If I'm being like completely honest, I've been in the biggest funk the last few days and I'm still not necessarily out of it, but I went to the gym this morning and oh my heck, the gym is so important to my daily routine. I knew it was important, but I had no idea how crucial that is for me to work out, to go to the gym, to like sweat and like do that. Because it used to be very much about like, I wanted to be skinny, I wanted to lose weight, I wanted to do this, that. No, now it's literally about my mental health. It's like, if I don't do that, I am a mess. I've been just so up and down the last few days and not knowing what's wrong, not knowing what's going on, and I worked out this morning, and while I'm not 100% today, I feel so much better. The past few days I have had no motivation, no inspiration or anything to film any videos. Like, I've been like, well, I did Vlogmas and I don't know what to do now. And then today I worked out, I had breakfast, I was going over my goals from last year, and then I was like, I'm gonna make this video. And like, it's just so important. So think of things that are good for your mental health. I know for me, going to the gym, drinking enough water, eating good foods for me, whole foods, not junk, journaling before bed, reading before bed so I can get a good night's sleep. Make it a goal to do those things every day. Like, insert little things into your daily routine that will make you feel your best self. Because I saw a thing yesterday that was like, we don't plant seeds and then dig them up every day to see if they've sprouted. We plant the seeds, we water them, we pull away the weeds, and we wait and see them grow. Just because you work out, drink a bunch of water, and eat so healthy one day doesn't mean you're magically going to be like a brand new person the next day. No, you have to work on it. You have to keep doing those things over and over and over and over and over again. So the way I went about this year is I sat down, had some coffee, I looked at my New Year's resolutions or goals. I prefer to call them goals. I don't know why, but my goals for last year, I went through them. I like checked off the ones I did, and then some of them I was like, oh well, I guess I started that, but I didn't really accomplish it. I guess I'll keep working. Some of them I was like, yeah, didn't do that. One of my New Year's goals last year was to learn about investing, and I simply did not. So then after looking at all of those, I literally just started writing down things that I wanted to do this year. So I just started writing things down, and I added some things that I didn't fully finish last year. I put like continue to journal, continue to read, and then I added more stuff. Like, I added how I can expand upon the stuff that I've done this year. A big thing for me this year is continuing to work and manage mental health, continuing to just become a better person, continuing to stay positive, have gratitude, treat others kindly. Like, all of those things are so important. While a lot of people are probably gonna put like drink more water, work out, save money, those are like really important too, and those are definitely on my list. However, again, think big picture. You can save money and drink water and work out all day long, but are you a good person? Are you working on how you treat others? Are you working on your gratitude? Are you working on yourself? Are you like dealing with the things going on in your brain? Are you going to therapy? Are you lacking things? Are you needing to move? Are you needing to change your environment? What do you need for you? And I think like going into this year, a lot of people, well, I guess I can't speak for other people, but I know for myself, like, it's focusing on what I need and what I want out of this life, I guess. I feel like I'm getting really deep, but I just feel like it's important. And if this video can help anyone, like, I really want to be able to help other people, and that's definitely one of my goals, is to like make a difference and help others in any way that I can. So if this video helped you at all, please leave a like, or like this video, leave a comment down below. What are your goals for this year? And I know it can be daunting, but writing them down is the first step. When you're manifesting something, writing it down takes it so much further, because then you're writing down, you're like, oh, this is real. And then you're gonna figure out ways to put that into your routine, and like, your life is gonna change. For example, because I know I'm being very vague and broad, I was reading through my journal when I was reflecting a little bit ago, and I was reading last year's like journal entries, and it was in, I think it was February 2nd of 2020. I literally wrote, I will move in with Dylan in April. We moved in April 1st. So that's the first time I've ever seen manifestation like really truly work for myself. So it can happen. It needs to go further than just writing it down. Like, you need to put the work into your daily routine, and it just all comes down to nothing changes if nothing changes. I also wanted to talk about making vision boards. So I've been making vision boards the last few years. It helps you to just visualize and see every day what you're working towards. So this year, obviously, I wanted to make another one. It's so much fun. So the way I go about it is, I think I made a video on this last year, but it was like low quality to say the least. Last year I got a few magazines to cut stuff out, and then I also always go on Pinterest and like Google images and just like Google things that relate to my goals, and then print them out and tape them on, and it's so fun. So this year I also did a few magazines, and I went on Pinterest, Googled some things, saved them onto like a Google Doc, and then just printed them all out, and I had so much fun cutting it all out. It always feels like you're doing an arts and crafts project like when you were a little kid, and it's so fun. So this is such a fun thing to do with like friends, or do with your family or your significant other, or just by yourself, because like it's good for self-reflection. You're working on yourself, you know, you're doing this for you, but it also is a fun thing to do with with other people if you want to do that too. It's so much fun making my vision board this year. I hope that all of my goals I can work towards, and this time next year I can be like, I did it, I did this, 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 and this, and I can feel good. But we'll have to wait till next year, so you'll have to subscribe down below and see next year if I accomplish all my things. I hope this year brings you all of the joy in the whole world. I hope you can work on yourself. I hope that through hard times there are even better times to follow. Just know that you can't have great days without hard days. I know this video is very cheesy, but I really think the secrets to life are hidden in cliches. So if it sounds cliche and it sounds cheesy, you're probably headed in the right direction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. If you make a vision board, I would love to see them. So please, like, send them to me on Instagram or something. Again, comment down below what your resolutions are. I really hope this video brings you some inspiration and motivation for the new year, and I will see you guys next video, because we're back. We're making videos. We're gonna do vlogs. We're gonna do sit down videos. Dylan got me this ring light for Christmas, so look at this quality. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below, like and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's. And I will see you next time. Bye.